pissed. That makes their bed. Has a kitten. Good morning. Today's Thursday. We're gonna do some work. I gotta do some orders. I gotta start grinding and getting things out to you guys. I wanna finish a TikTok. Do you wanna see the little chickens I made? So these are them in the oven. Look at them. I gotta take them out and I gotta paint the eyes on them. Oh, let's do that. Some people were asking what happened to my trailer, like my camper. When I moved to Logan's house, I had the trailer in my mom's backyard for the whole time that I had it. Obviously, because that's where I lived at the time. And then when I moved to Logan's house, it was kind of almost pointless to have it because I had that to get away from like my family and like to have my own space. And I really wanted to try renovating a trailer and I loved it. I never finished it fully, but it was a really fun experience and I learned a lot like about renovating in general. Like I learned how to do like electrical lights in there. Like it was kind of crazy. YouTube can teach you almost anything. So I sold it. I just sold it on Facebook and someone bought it and came and took it. So rest in peace my trailer. But yeah, there's nothing crazy that happened to it. Like it literally just, that's it, it's gone. So that's the update on my trailer. Basically already glazed these little guys. I'm waiting for them to dry so I can put the earring hooks on them. And then I can take product photos of them. Finish the TikTok of them and post that. So by the time this is up, the little TikTok of them being made will be up. I also have to throw out these flowers because, as you can see, they are dead. Let me show you my OOTD because every time I work from home, I'm always wearing sweatpants. Even if I have like a cuter top on. Sweatpants or PJs, always. Oh, and the slippers, always. Also, I don't have water. Yeah, I know. It's kind of a weird thing, but apparently once a month they shut the water off here for like 6 hours. I don't know what they're doing. They're like testing the water or something, but I have no water at all. I'm supposed to wake up early and fill the bathtub up, but I totally forgot to.
Educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
Oh my god. Or Dorito one. I got the dog one. I like the dog one the best for sure.
How can we look the other way? Sun is out.
Watch an eye and be that. It's like a piece of corn instead when you open it.
I'd be pissed.
Sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
Hello vlog. I have not vlogged all day, but all I've been doing is working. But I'm gonna make some cookies. Does this not look like it needs more water? Or do I just have to stir it for longer? I don't know. night until dinner. I turn the light off because hydro.
And my sock curls in. Come on, getting in. This is how I go to bed at night. And then her so finally Megan's apartment because she's a queen boss bitch. Bye. Nice.
Yak.
Okay. I feel like that's all a hooker though. Nice to meet you. Bye. Your name is Candy. How much for your blowy? Stop. It's recording. Cheers. Cheers.
Bye-bye. Could not get this. Dude, it's a lot darker than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be more like light lilac, but it's like,
That's why it's called lilac smoke,
I guess.
right? Figure it out.
I know it doesn't match my pajama pants, but cute. I like it. Hey, I literally haven't picked up my camera in a hot minute. I don't think I vlogged it at all, but I got a new duvet cover to cover the pine cones. But I wasn't about to buy a whole new duvet, so I just bought a duvet cover to cover the pine cones. So now it looks like this. I can put this link in the description, but it's just from Amazon. I know my bed's a mess. Just ignore it. I'm not one of the girlies that makes their bed. I want to be one of those girlies, but I'm just not. And then I also ordered two like ivory colored rugs to come in the mail. And there's gonna be a rug here and then a rug over there, and it's gonna match like the sheet, which is like an ivory tone. So I think I'm gonna do oh my god, you can so see the pine cones. Okay. I am not very good at making beds, am I? I need to order 2 nightstands, and I found these ones on Amazon that it's $140 for 2, and that's the best deal I found. I've looked at every thrift store. I've looked on Facebook Marketplace for weeks to try and find nightstands, and I can't find any. So Amazon it is. I do have really exciting news though. So I was at work, and one of the girls at my work knows someone that has a kitten, or not a kitten, she's like almost a year, I think. They think she her owner is like an elderly owner, and she doesn't want her anymore because she keeps pushing the plants off the window so she can look out the window. And she's a really sweet cat. She looks like this. Her name is Noodles. She's so cute. I'm gonna go visit her on Tuesday, and if she likes me, I think I'm gonna get her, because she's just giving her away for free, and I think she just needs her shots, and that's it. So I'll just have to pay for her shots, and then she can be my cat. But she's so sweet looking. I haven't met her yet, so she could be evil. Some cats can be evil, literally. So I don't know yet. If she likes me, then I guess we'll see what happens. Oh, I also want to say it's starting to get nice out here in Ontario. Slowly, finally. So when I do the balcony, I'm going to dedicate a whole video to my, I guess, balcony makeover. Because it's, I don't know if I should put fake grass. Here, let me show you guys. Let me give you a little balcony tour, because I think that's going to be a whole other video. So get excited for that, because I'm so excited. And I might even try and do like a DIY like couch thing with these called skids, and I'm gonna make like a DIY bed out of them. Anyways, let me give you a little balcony tour. I did buy this little rug. I bought this from Giant Tiger. This was only like 12 bucks. I have little plant things. This I got off Facebook Marketplace. You guys already seen it. Fell over, so I need to fix her. But I'm thinking of putting like fake grass down. It looks like somebody like that had this balcony before must have did something like that. I have some pillows out here because I'm gonna use these pillows, and then my mom brought these chairs to sit in. But yeah, so I can put like lights here. So yeah, that's my little balcony tour. It's quite a large balcony, so I have a lot of room to play with. I just don't know how expensive it's gonna be to like put fake grass down. That might be a lot. That's gonna be a whole video, and I'm really excited about it.